To create a user, first go to the Clients tab. Now, enter the name, pair, commission, in and out, and Patti details. After entering all the information correctly, click on the Submit or Check button. That's it. Your user will be created successfully. To create a user using another method, first click on the Contact icon. Now, allow contact permission. After that, select the required contact from your contact list and click on Add. Now, enter the pair, commission, in and out, and Patti details. Finally, click on the Submit button. That's it. Your user will be created successfully. In this video, we will explain all the important features related to sheets, how to create a sheet, add a custom sheet, and clear all sheets. So, let's first learn how to create a sheet. If you're currently on any other tab in the app, first go to the Sheet tab. Next, click on Select Sheet. You will now see a list of sheets such as FD, GB, Good Luck, and DS. Select any sheet according to your requirement and then click on the Submit button. That's it. Your sheet will be created successfully. Now, let's learn how to create a custom sheet. First, click on the 3-dot icon and then select the Enter Sheet option. Now enter a sheet name according to your choice, such as KS or any other name you need. After that, click on the Create button. That's it. Your custom sheet will be created successfully. Now, let's learn how to clear all sheets. Click on the Sweep icon shown at the top. Then, click on the Yes button. That's it. All the sheets you have created will be cleared or deleted at once. Now select any one sheet. For example, select the FD sheet and click on Create. The sheet will now start appearing in the list. If you have not created clients yet, create them first. Now click on the arrow given in front of the FD sheet. This will open the Jnatri sheet. First, select the user. After this, you can add data in 3 different ways.
Multi-text,
Enter box, amount, and laddie feature. Now, let's look at these 3 methods one by one. Now let's understand the multi-text feature. Clicking on the multi-text button will open a pop-up. Here you will see a large text box L. Clear and format options will appear. Clicking on format will show a list from format 1 to format 26. If a user has sent a game on WhatsApp in any of these formats, you can easily use it. Now open WhatsApp, copy the game sent by the user, and now enter the data and click on the Save button. Similarly, you can copy any format given in the list from WhatsApp and paste it into the multi-text. Now let's see how the Palat feature works. First, copy a game from WhatsApp. Now the value 800 will appear in front of all the numbers in the sheet. For example, the Palat of 1 will be 10, 2 will be 20, and 35 will be 35. In this way, you can easily add Palat data. Now let's see how to add values using the enter box. Suppose a user calls you and says that the value of 500 should be added on 10, 20, 30, and 40. In such a case, enter 10, 20, 30, 40 in the enter box, write 500 in the amount, and click the enter button. This Now suppose the same user says that 100 should be subtracted from all these numbers. Enter 10, 20, 30, 40 again and enter 100 in the amount and click enter. Now 100 will automatically be minus from all these numbers. If you want to see the full detailed report, T. Similarly, you can easily auto-add games with the help of the enter box. Now let's see how the laddie feature works. First, click on the laddie tab. Then a model will open. Range laddie. Here, you will see two boxes, from and to. Now click OK and then save. The value 600 will be added to all the pairs from 10 to 30. Now let's see the laddie crossing feature. Enter 1, 2, 3, 4 in the first box and also enter 1, 2, 3, 4 in the second box. Now write 700 in amount and click OK. Then save. The system will create all possible combined pairs of these two numbers and add them to the sheet. Now let's learn the exclude pair feature. Enter 1, 2, 3, 4 in both the first and second boxes and 8 in amount. In this case, pairs like 11, 22, 33 and 44 will not be added to the sheet. That means all repeat pairs will be automatically excluded. In this way, you can easily add games or values in the sheet with the help of the laddie feature. Now let's look at some useful features of the sheet. First, to see how much game any user has added, click on that user's checkbox. If you want to see the full detailed report, like which number was added at what time, select the user whose receipt you want to print first. Then click on the print button and print your receipt. For information on printer setup, you can watch our previous video. Now let's learn about the QR scanner feature. If any user uses GoSheet app and sends you data via the scanner, you can scan it directly and add it to the sheet. First, where will you find the QR scanner? Let's see. Click on Master. Then after the master sheet opens, Now let's add data from the scanner. Click Scan, then open the gallery and select the image from the scanner. As soon as you select the image, the data will automatically be added to the sheet. In this way, you can easily use all these useful features of GoSheet. The master sheet is mainly used for cutting. Suppose you have taken a game from a user, and now you want to send the same game to a bookie after cutting. In this situation, the master sheet makes the whole process much easier. Before using the master sheet, you should already have the game data based on the user. You can then use this data in the master sheet to apply cutting or make changes and then send the final data forward. Now, let's understand all the features of the master sheet one by one. At the top, you will see three options: cutting, less, and Dabba. Cutting. Suppose you enter 100 here and click on Create. The value of 100 will be reduced from all the boxes. If you want to undo this change, simply set the value to 0 and click on Create again. The previous cutting will then be restored automatically. Less. In less, the value is reduced according to a percentage. For example, if you enter 50, the value of all the boxes will be reduced by 50%. For example, if a box has a value of 300, it will become 150. Dabba. The Dabba feature is used to remove entries that have a value below a specific amount. For example, if you enter 300 or 700 and click on Create, all entries with a value less than that amount will be automatically removed. Now, let's look at the other important features of the master sheet. First, we have the round feature. During cutting, sometimes a number may have a value like 185, 293 or something similar. In such cases, the round feature changes the value to the nearest round figure. For example, 185 can be changed to 180 or 190. This makes it easier to manage and maintain the calculations. Now, let's talk about the in and out feature. Many people also call this inside and outside. With the help of this feature, the value is automatically split across all the boxes from 00 to 99 according to the given rules. Now, let's see the commission feature. As soon as you click on commission, the fixed commission set for that client is automatically deducted. The final value is then updated accordingly. Next, we have the Patti feature. In Patti, the amount is deducted according to the percentage that has been set. The remaining final value is then displayed in the sheet. Now, let's talk about the divide feature. If you want to share the same sheet with more than one bookie, the divide feature is very useful. For example, if you select divide by 2, the complete sheet value will be divided into 2 equal parts. Similarly, divide by 3 and divide by 4 will also work in the same way. This allows you to easily send a divided sheet to different bookies. Now, let's see the share and code features. With the share option, you can directly share the complete sheet, and in the code option, you will get different formats for sharing the sheet. You can use any format according to your requirement. All these features make the master sheet extremely useful and help make your daily work faster, easier, and more organized. Now, let's learn about all the important features available in settings. First, click on Profile. Here, you can see how long you've been using the application, how much you spent on renewal or expenses so far, along with the complete details. You can also see your current active plan here. Below this, you will find the Graph option. Here, you can check your activity on a daily, monthly, or hourly basis. Dark mode and light mode. From here, you can turn dark mode and light mode on or off. If your plan is active, you can long press on dark mode to set a daily timer. After setting the timer, the app will automatically switch between dark mode and light mode according to the selected time. Fingerprint security. If you want to make the app more secure, you can enable the fingerprint lock. After enabling this feature, the app can only be opened with your permission. Virtual keyboard. The virtual keyboard makes it even easier to enter data in multi-text. AI feature. With the AI option, you can easily add new game formats. Help section. If you need information about any feature of the app, simply go to the Help section. Here, you can find complete information related to GoSheet Jantri, backup and transfer for new mobile. If you want to transfer your GoSheet Jantri data to a new mobile, you can use the backup and transfer feature. On the old device, click on Old Device. Here, you will see 3 options: Share, Send via QR, and Send via Bluetooth. Now, open GoSheet on your new mobile and click on the Upload option. After that, your complete data will be easily transferred to the new mobile. Notification. If you do not want to receive notifications, you can turn them on or off from here. Recharge history. In Recharge history, you can see all your previous transactions. You can also make a new renewal from here. If a QR code is available, you can make the payment using the QR code. If required, you can also contact the support team. Language. If you want to change the language of the app, click on the language option. Then, select your preferred language, Hindi or English. So friends, this was the complete tutorial of the settings in GoSheet Jantri. GoSheet is a smart Jantri software that makes your daily calculations and game management faster, easier, and more organized. Thank you.